Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about if avocado oil is healthy for you. Avocado oil, it might sound like just another health trend, but what if I told you it's actually one of the most powerful oils for both your body and your skin. Actually one of the most powerful oils for both your body. So today we are diving into science and benefits behind the avocado oil. Stay tuned, people. And why it deserves a permanent place in your kitchen and on your bathroom shelf. Stick around to the end, I've got a special gift for you. So let's start with the fats. Yes, the good ones. Avocado oil is about 70% acid, a fat also known as omega-9. These healthy fats help lower cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, protecting your heart in the process. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fats can reduce your risk of heart diseases, improve blood vessel function, and help stabilize blood pressure. Next up is cooking with avocado oil. Cooking with avocado oil has one of the highest smoke points of any cooking oil, around 520 Fahrenheit or 270 degrees. That means you can saute, roast, grill, even deep fry with it without the oil breaking down into harmful compounds. And if you're using cold pressed or extra virgin avocado oil, you're getting more nutrients, more antioxidants, and zero chemical from refining. Avocado oil is packed with skin-loving and body-boosting nutrients like vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cell. It contains gluten, amazing for eye health, and phytosterols, which support healthy cholesterol levels. So basically it is not just oil, it is liquid nutrition. One of the lesser known benefits is it fights inflammation, a root cause of many diseases from arthritis to heart problems. Thanks to its unique combo of fats, antioxidants, and plants, avocado oil helps reduce inflammation, support joint mobility, boost your body's cellular health. So people who are doing yoga, stretching, or walking in nature, this is the perfect superfood for you. And also, let's not forget that avocado oil has the best taste. For me, actually, I really love avocado. The avocado that is very ripe, just ripe enough, it has the perfect flavor. It has a mild, buttery flavor that works with just about anything. You can use it in salads, you can use it in dressings, you can use it in dips, in smoothies, even as a substitute for buttering baked goods. You can literally swap it one-on-one for other oils and make every meal even healthier. But avocado oil isn't just a superstar in the kitchen, it's also a game changer for your skin. It deeply hydrates, supports collagen production, and soothes dry, irritated, or sensitive skin. So you can apply it to your face, you can apply it to your body, you can use it as facial oil, you can use it as body oil, or even as massage oil. Why? Because it's gentle, it's natural, and it's effective. If you get avocado oil, look for labels that say cold pressed or extra virgin. Why? Because these retain the most nutrients and flavor. Store your oil in a dark glass bottle in a cool, dark place and use it within 6 to 12 months of opening. So the moment you put it in a jar or in a bottle, you have 1 year to use it in your kitchen, on your body, on your hair, whatever you like. And that, people, that is exactly why I created Avora Nature, a natural skincare and lifestyle brand inspired by the power of avocado. Our products are designed to nourish your skin, boost your glow and help you reconnect with nature. So, head over to avoranature.com and explore our full collection of avocado-infused wellness goods. And here is the little gift that I said at the beginning of the video. Here's my little thank you for you for being here. Just go to my website avoranature.com and use Avora Nature 10 to get 10% off your first order. So Avora Nature 10 to get 10% off your first order. I will put the description, or I will put the link in the description below so you can check it out. Why? Because your body deserves the best. Fuel it from the inside out with the power of avocado. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And as always, people, stay natural, stay Avora.